Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for birth number 7. So if you're born on the 7th, 16th or 25th of any month, this is the reading for you. The first oracle message that I have for you guys is number 22. So number 4, harmony. When we look at number 4, we are talking about, we are relating it to the planet Uranus. And what we are, the sort of energy we are tapping into is this energy of suddenness, a lack of continuity towards something, which kind of causes you to have imbalance in your sacral chakras, and at times also your Muladhara or your root chakra. So um, I'm not an expert on chakras, but what I'm telling you is that you feel a sense of insecurity. You don't feel that you are grounded and you are stable. So that part of your life is being, it's not stable. And also number 22, number 4, we're talking about harmony. So there is lack of harmony, not outside, not in the outside environment or your external environment, but rather in your internal environment, because you're not able to balance, you're not able to find your sweet spot. And my advice for you would be to actually focus on the color orange, on the color red when you meditate. So if you use a red or an orange candle while you meditate, that is going to be very, very good for you. Let's see from tarot what sort of messages are we getting. The first message that I have for you is Temperance card. Again, see, having a balance, having a very practical and an emotional approach. You could be dealing with a Sagittarius sun moon rising or an Aquarius sign sun moon rising, but there is a sense of healing. Some kind of healing is needed. There has been an imbalance and you guys really need to balance things out. The next card that I have for you guys is the Two of Pentacles. Ignore my dog in the background. That's my new foster dog. So Two of Pentacles talks about, there's a balance of things. So I'm sorry for all the barking. So now I'm back. So the Two of Pentacles card here, it talks about having an imbalance. So you might be having trouble, balancing your cash inflow and outflow. Your relationship or your personal life could be getting affected because of this. There could have been issues, or there's a lack of insecurity, and a lot of it I feel like it either is coming from your personal issues or it's coming from your professional life. The next card that I have for you guys is the Tower card. So something has definitely happened. For some of you, I'm also sensing that some of you might have lost your job. Maybe not in the first wave, but probably in the second wave it is happening. Or you might have lost somebody and you are feeling like your core, your very foundation is shaken. My apologies to everyone who has lost someone, but yeah, this is what I'm sensing with people who pick this pile. The next card that I have for you guys is the Two of Swords. So you guys are looking at a situation without using your emotions, but you're also not looking at the 360-degree view of the situation, because your eyes are closed. You have your hands crossed at your heart. That means you're not thinking from your heart chakra. Again, your heart chakra could be blocked. So make sure you are healing, because something must have definitely happened and you guys are not healing. Rather, the month of August would bring you something new. So definitely towards the middle or towards the end of the month, you are going to get something new. A positive news is going to come towards you. For people who do not have a job, I do see you getting a job finally. If you have been waiting for a promotion, I do see a promotion happening. Some of you might also get to travel. See, there's definitely a new start, and with all this thick hard energy in the start of the month, I feel like middle of the month to towards the end of the month, things are going to be very, very, very different for you guys in a positive way. See, Nine of Pentacles, a lot of positivity, a lot of self-confidence is coming towards you, and I feel like all these cards are telling you, to just hang in there a little longer. You are already there. The universe has your back, so don't worry about it. Definitely travel. You might be dealing with somebody who is either based abroad in your relationship, and you're feeling like, the current situation might be taking a toll on you. because I can see that sort of situation happening. But for a lot of you, I am sensing relocation. So if you want to move out, if you want to do, if you want to be in a different country, I do see that happening. Seven of Pentacles. So definitely, you guys have a lot of things coming your way, but a little bit of patience, and you are going to be on your merry way. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Two of Cups. So if things have not worked out in your relationship, I see a reconciliation happening. I do see, some kind of positive news when it comes to your relationships, to your finances, to relocation. So if you're waiting for some kind of visa, I do see you getting the news of visa. But make sure you don't let this energy get to you, because there are chances that it might. But don't let it get to you. If you have recently gone through a trauma, or you've lost somebody, eventually time is going to heal all your wounds, and you are going to be in a better place. Do share if this reading resonates, and don't forget to check your love readings and your career readings.